Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this black medicinal soup that is packed with a lot of health benefits. It's good for your digestive system. So let's get started with it. I'll be using scent leaf, Uziza leaf, or you also call ashate leaf. I'll be using curry leaf. So I've already gone ahead to wash my leaf thoroughly. I'm using the same ratio for all the three leaves. So I'll transfer this to my blender. I'll be also going in with my alligator pepper, ginger, dry locust beans and turmeric. And also I'll be going in with my habanero pepper and onion. So I'll give this a good blend. Make sure I blend everything till it's very smooth and it's pasty. Then I'll keep this aside. Note guys, this soup is packed with a lot of health benefit. If you just give birth, this soup is an ideal soup for you. It helps with the digestive system. The fiber in this food helps a lot in the body. It also helps in detoxification. There's a lot of health benefit that comes with this food. So if you have been bloating, if you are bloated, if you are someone that is always bloated, this food is an ideal soup for you. It helps it with bloating and it packs with a lot of health benefits. You can go and check it up. The ingredients in this soup, the fibers, the leaf, you can check the health benefits. So this is what it look like after blending. Then I'll set this aside. Then for my protein, I'll be going in with my cow meat. I've already parboiled this cow meat before cooking it now. So I'll be going with my cow meat. Add in my salt. I'm going with my onion and also two seasoning cube. I'm not going to add any other seasoning cube till after cooking this food. I'm not going to add any other seasoning cube. I'll be going with my pepper, my blended fresh pepper, and also salt to taste. And I will go in with my water and allow this to cook till it's fully done. So guys, please, if you've watched to this point, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and also drop a comment and let me know if you are going to try this recipe. It's a very good recipe. So guys, after that, I'm going in with my dry smoked fish. So guys, you can use any fish of your choice. I'm using Titus fish because I didn't put in my crayfish. So I'm using this Titus fish to substitute for the crayfish. So I'll be doing a lot of turning, and guys, don't mind the fish, it's going to scatter in soup and that's what I want. So this is what I'm using as my crayfish. So I'll cover this and allow to cook for a few minutes. And after that, I'll come in with my blended leaf. So guys, note, once you add your leaf to the soup, it will not take longer than 5 minutes. This soup is ready. So after going in with my leaf, I'll also go in with my dry pepper. So this soup is originated from Edo State, the Edo people of Nigeria. So they have a lot of different pattern of cooking this food. Some places they use bitter leaf, some use different leaves, but Uziza leaf is constant. Some also scent leaf also is constant. But the curry leaf, some substitute it for bitter leaf. So whichever one you want, you can use. If you don't have curry leaf, you can change curry leaf, you can add bitter leaf to it. Then after adding the pepper, I'm going with my palm oil. This palm oil is kind of optional because the Edo people they use palm fruit, the pulp in palm kernel. They use normal palm kernel water. After cooking the palm kernel, they extract the water from the palm kernel. So that's what they use to cook this part. But I'm using palm oil because this is what I have, and it's also give me the same results. So go in with your palm oil. Guys, this food is very economical. It's it's very, very affordable, and it's packed with a lot of health benefits. And it tastes so good. So guys, please watch this video to the end and let me know if you will try this recipe. And please do well to subscribe. It will go a long way for me. So after adding my palm oil, cover and let to cook. And at this junction, the soup is almost ready. I'll have to test to know if I'm going to add any other thing, because once you've put your leaf, you will not let it to cook for long so that it will not kill the nature of the leaf, because is you want to eat everything and get the benefit from the leaf. So the more you cook, the lesser the effect of the leaf. So now I'm testing to know if I'm going to add anything to the soup. But at this point, everything is okay for me, because all the things I needed to add, I already added it in when I was cooking my protein. So at this point, the salt, the pepper, everything has cooperated very well in this soup, and this soup is ready to be consumed. So guys, a bonus tip: if you are bloated, you can actually take this soup and it will help with your bloating. This is how thick the soup is. So this is how thick the soup is, guys. And this soup, even if you've not eaten black soup before, try it out. You will like it. Give it a try, you will like it. So guys, thanks for watching.